Hello, my name is Crystal. I'm an expert as a service consultant, and in this video, I will talk about the new data analyzer. This is part of the QRC updates for Q1 of 2023. I will show you how you can use this new feature and also how you can migrate from the classic data analyzer to the new data analyzer. The first step is to go to the menu and select Data Analyzer, and you will see this pop-up that will let you know that the new Data Analyzer is available, and also that you can manually migrate existing classic insights to new insights. If you don't want to see that message again, you can just click this checkbox. And now I will search for a model. There are multiple enhancements in the table, in the filter, and also the builder panel. I will start to talk about the enhancements of the table. For example, I will add a new dimension to the table, and one of the enhancements is that you can change the order of the columns. Now we have an adaptive table layout. You can do the same with the rows. For example, if I just want to see the country first, we can just change it. And as you can see now, we have a different order of the rows. Also, you can select also under table functions the freeze functionality for the headers of the table. Other improvements are that the lazy loading when you scroll was, it is better now. Also that you can see the ID and description for dimensions in two separate columns. And you can also remove the default row limit. Now let's talk about the filters. The widget filter was removed, and now we only have one level of filter. You can, if you want to filter, you can just select the icon here and filter by dimension or account. This is very similar to the classic model. But the other option that we have is that, for example, if you want to filter by this member, you just click the cell and then select filter member. And as you can see, we now have the country filter available at the top. There are other improvements in the dialog of the filter. You can select all or just one member. We have the clipboard. You can just copy and paste the members here. You can also search by the attributes, or you can just select here to show the attributes. And those are some of the improvements of the dialog. In the builder, you can also select the attributes and just show them in the rows or the columns. And basically, those are some of the improvements that you will see in the new data analyzer. Now let's talk about how you can open an old insight and just switch that old insight to the new insight. I will go to my files and I will search for that old insight that I created. As you can see here, I have this one. And you will know that you are using the classic data analyzer because here at the top, you can see the name of the old one, right? And if you want to switch from this old insight to the new insight, you must go to the file section and then select the save icon and then open data analyzer. And you will see this pop-up that will let you know that you're switching from the classic data analyzer to the new data analyzer. Then you click open, and as you can see now, we are using the new data analyzer. And that's how you can switch from the old data analyzer or the classic data analyzer to the new data analyzer. If you want to open the new data analyzer when you're using or when you're working on a story, you must select the optimized story experience. I will go now to the stories to show you how you can do it. I will create a new story, and as you can see, I have to select this option, the optimized design experience. I will add a table in my story, then I will select a model. I will also collapse the left panel. Then I will enable, I added a table, and now I will enable the data analyzer. And I will open here. I selected the 3 dots, and then I will select open data analyzer. I will discard the changes. And as you can see now, we are using the new data analyzer. So now let's review what we discussed in this video. I show you that now we have a new data analyzer and that there are some enhancements in the table, filters, and also the builder panel. I show you how you can switch from the classic data analyzer to the new data analyzer, and also I show you that you can open this new feature if you enable the optimized design experience in the story. Thank you very much for watching this video.